Addie, just be soft. She just needs to. It's okay. Oh, it's okay. Mila, she doesn't want to be tickled this early. Okay, just talk sweet. Hi, Hi, good morning, girls. Is she awake? Can you sing good morning? Sing her song. Hi, baby. Hi.
Okay. All right. All right. Okay, I want you to fly like an angel. Oh. Where are you? Okay. All right. You are so good. You are so good. Okay. Okay. Okay, Mila.
Mama was sleeping in a bed in a giant bed. Look at me, I got the rug.
Okay, tell me who gave that to you? Who? Okay. Can you stand up and like little nice pose with your llama?
Mama, it's not very nice.
Okay. Can you stand up and hold her? Hold. No, don't do that. Just.
And look it. It'll be great.
Okay. What's her name?
Llama.
Mama. Okay. All right. Good dad.
Tia got me this.
Oh, really? I like that. That's cute.
Tia got me
so sweet.
So sweet.
Ow.
One
Will you be my baby too?
No, Justin's coming. What's the big
My eyes are getting infected and I can't see you guys anymore.
That's right.
Okay. Do it, Milbu.
Yep.
Yeah.
Bounce.
Whoa! Hey,
Now, Mila,
Kan đầu thế ngon lồm em
time,
anh nha.
next time you
One
jump
book
and then
still.
roll. Jump and roll. Okay?
Okay, I'll do that.
You gonna do it? Can you do that or try? Let's see. Jump, roll. Yay!
Oh yay! Mhm.
You can eat them?
Yeah. So how you like having your two sisters?
I need to light up for a second.
Oh,
I need to light on.
I'll turn it off. You want me to turn it off?
Yeah, and my legs fit. So, hey, you can't turn the light on. I need the light on. I need my light up so you can see my room. And
Okay.
the stove up.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
So
Well,
try
if I take your picture of it, then it's not gonna.
scissors to chop on so you can make a little thing.
Mm-hmm. Well, we need a scissors and we can put it together. Okay.
We have scissors.
But then, and Daphne kalome dro.
Probably hard.
Okay.
Okay, I'm gonna give her all done. Okay, he said done.
Yeah, this
TV and to yan hey. Okay. Okay. And to yan
I'll explain to you, you're so cute. I'll explain them to you when I get back.
What's his medical? Well, when you get back.
Multi-millionaire?
Yeah, but is he a medical expert? Is he even got training?
You don't, that's what I mean, you don't even know what Brian Johnson's doing. He's changing the world.
So, first you got to get on and then get your feet on the pedals.
Mom, I'm in the traffic.
Here, Addie will move it. Good job, Addie. All right, go girl. Mila has, oh, you good? She's okay. Good job. Addie's clapping for you, Mila. Go, girl. It's okay. Get yourself figured out. Put your feet on the pedals and then go. Yep. Mila's figured it out. Good job, Mila. Yes, girl. Yes, girl. Woohoo! Woohoo! Guys, clap for Mila. So, our girl is truly riding a bike for the first time. Like, just doing it. Look at her go. She's figured it out. Nice. I'm watching. Addie is clapping for you already. Get it, girl. Yeah. You are getting it, girl. Go back. Go back.
Do we have here, Milboo?
Pancake, strawberry pancake.
Pancake strawberry. And there's a strawberry, that's a pancake. And what do we have in there?
That's with cream and egg.
Oh, okay. Is it yummy? Milboo, is it yummy?
Yes.
Can you say atui lutuk? Atui lutuk. That means yummy. Atui lutuk. Atui lutuk. Say it. Are you happy to see Beanie? Milboo?
Papa.
Oh, he got your shoes.
I just,
He's
when I was
Like
walking,
Addie, come here.
All right. Here we are. Backpack.
Too much for
There's Mila.
Money.
I am wondering where Mila is. The fridge is open. Mila. I'm looking for Mila. Looking for Mila. Let's see if we can open the fridge. Huh? What you doing in there? What you doing? What you doing, Milboo? Oh, what? Okay, come on. What?
Back is doing it too. Good job.
Ready?
Woo! You gotta hang on.
He's just.
He was literally like.
Okay, hang on. Ready?
Go, Addie! I agree. Get on your bike, girl.
Yeah.
Hi. Can I kiss you? Can I give you a kiss? Can I kiss you?